In this video, I am going to tell you should you buy the OnePlus Nord or you should not buy it. So let's get started. Hey, what's up you guys, this is Akhilan from AkhilanTech. One of the most hyped smartphone has been launched finally in India. It is nothing but the OnePlus Nord. From so many days, so many rumors and so many specifications have been leaked from the so many sources. But finally they have launched it. First, let us see the specifications of the OnePlus Nord. Later we're gonna go to the price segment and my opinions on the OnePlus Nord. OnePlus Nord smartphone comes with the two variants. One is the grey color, another one in the black color. It has a glass back, and if you go into a display specifications, then it has the 6.44-inch Full HD plus 90Hz AMOLED display. It is powered by the Snapdragon 765 Plus processor. It is a 7nm build processor and it is a 5G processor. If you go into a camera setup, rear it has a quad camera setup. First one is the 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 sensor, and the next is the 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, and also we have the 5 megapixel depth sensor and also 2 megapixel macro lens. If you come to the front camera, it has the dual camera setup. One is the 32 megapixel camera and another one is the 8 megapixel camera, which is an ultra wide angle lens. It comes with the 4150 mAh battery and it also supports 30-watt fast charging from the OnePlus company. One of the main disadvantage in this OnePlus Nord smartphone is that in this smartphone we will not have the 3.5mm jack, so the headphone lovers might be disappointed a little bit. And according to OnePlus, this OnePlus Nord smartphone charges up to 70% only in 30 minutes. And this smartphone has the in-display fingerprint scanner. So these are the specifications of the OnePlus Nord. And if you go into a price segment of this OnePlus Nord smartphones, this smartphone comes in the three variants. One is a 6GB RAM 64GB variant, 8GB RAM 128GB variant, and the 12GB RAM and the 256GB variant. The 6GB RAM 64GB variant is priced at 24,999 rupees, and the next variant, that is the 8GB RAM 128GB variant, is priced at 27,999 rupees, and the higher variant, that is the 12GB RAM 256GB variant, is priced at 29,999 rupees. OnePlus Nord smartphone comes into sale in the Amazon website from August 4th. But on August 4th, they have been only releasing the smartphones in the two variants, that is the 8GB RAM variant and the 12GB RAM variant. The base variant will be coming into the sale from the September month. Only the grey color of this base variant will be coming into sale in the September month. So this OnePlus Nord smartphone is okay according to my opinions, because in this budget category most of the people just prefer to buy the stock Android smartphones. Means OnePlus UI is quite a bit similar to the stock Android and the user experience will be great, and most of the people tend to buy the OnePlus smartphones in the budget range. In the 25,000 rupees budget range, this OnePlus Nord will be perfect for you. But if you want to just do the higher gaming, the higher side, then you can also opt for the Snapdragon 855 smartphones in this budget category also. In this budget category, we also find the Snapdragon 855 processor smartphones, and rather than the Snapdragon 765 Plus processor, the Snapdragon 855 processor is somewhat powerful. So in this budget category, if you want to just go for the higher performance, then you can opt for the Snapdragon 855 smartphones. Other than the processor, if you want to just buy the overall smartphone other than the best processor, means the Snapdragon 765 Plus is also a best processor. But when we compare this processor with the Snapdragon 855 processor, then 855 is somewhat better than the Snapdragon 765 processor. It will be your choice whether you should choose this smartphone or that smartphone. Including this OnePlus Nord smartphone, the OnePlus also launched their OnePlus Buds, and this OnePlus Buds priced at 4,990 rupees, that is under 5,000 rupees. If you charge this OnePlus Buds for 10 minutes, then you can use it for 10 hours. And this OnePlus Buds is going to come to the sale in Amazon on August 4th. So in my opinion, this OnePlus Buds is also the best choice in that budget category. You can choose the OnePlus Buds in this budget category. And that's all from this video. I think you got a clear idea about the specifications and the price range and my opinions on this OnePlus Nord and the OnePlus Buds. If you find this video is informative, drop us a like down below and share this video. If you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so that you'll be reminded every time I post a new video in my YouTube channel. And also, don't forget to watch this video out there because it will be more interesting. And that's it for me today. See you next time.